What's up? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this portion off of the rocker off of the inner rocker panel so I can get to the back side and repair the back side. Alright, YouTube. So I'm about to replace this. Cut it out and replace it. So I got this piece made. It's not perfect, but it's close. It's good enough to go. I bent the metal myself using 2x4 and vice grips, and also a 1/2-inch plywood. Take this down and show you what I did. So I wear that back piece on. I put some all metal in it to seal up the welding holes, or like the spots that didn't get good penetration. Not good penetration. I'm trying to say to seal up any gaps where water get in from the backside, which is rare. Then I sprayed it with rust preventer. Then I did epoxy coat over it. Then the grade is well through metal. I mean, wear through paint. Well through paint. On the back side of this one, epoxy coated. As you see, all the hammer marks for beating it to shape. And so now I'm about to weld it on. So this is the final results of the rocker panel replacement or repair job.